Hey Sam, now I want you to pay attention because the kids and I are going to show you what around is all about, okay? You paying attention?
Okay.
Okay, come on kids. This should be a good place. Okay? Around. See that, Sam? They're going around and around me. And around and around and around. There. That ought to do it, kids. Well, what you think, Sam? Wasn't that terrific?
It was okay, but a machine can do better.
Oh, you think so?
I will show you what around looks like. Stand still. I'm coming around.
Here, he's gonna come around now. Wait a minute. Hey, hold the phone there a minute, Sam. That wasn't going around. You just moved your eyes up and down, and then you blew your stack.
Oh, I will try again with a little more gas.
Okay, see if you can do it. Make plenty of room so we can go around. Where you going, Sam? Sam? Sam, where you going? Hey, no, Sam! Ah! Sam, that wasn't around either. That was through.